Welcome to today's video, where we will be showing you how to get started with Bybit MetaTrader 4, the powerful trading platform that enables seamless cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will help you navigate the features and tools of Bybit MetaTrader 4. So let's dive in. To start with Bybit MetaTrader 4, the first step is visiting the Bybit website and creating an account. Once your account is set up, you can download the MetaTrader 4 trading platform from the Bybit website. Install the software on your computer and log in using the credentials provided during the account creation process. After logging in, you will be greeted with the MetaTrader 4 interface. Let's take a look at the key components. Chart window. This is where you can analyze the price movements of different cryptocurrencies. You can customize the chart by selecting different time frames and applying various technical analysis tools. Market Watch. This section displays the available cryptocurrency trading pairs. You can easily add or remove cryptocurrency pairs as per your preference. Terminal. The terminal section provides important information such as open positions, pending orders, trading history, and account balance. Trade panel. This panel allows you to place market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and take profit orders. Simply fill in the necessary details. In the trade panel, set your desired trade size, stop-loss level if applicable, and take profit level optional. Select the order type such as market order, limit order, or stop order. Review your trade details and click Buy or Sell to execute the trade. In the trade panel, set your desired trade size, stop-loss level if applicable, and take profit level optional. Select the order type such as market order, limit order, or stop order. Review your trade details and click Buy or Sell to execute the trade. Advanced features. Bybit MetaTrader 4 provides a range of advanced features to enhance your trading experience. Custom indicators. You can install custom indicators to receive signals or develop your trading strategies. Expert advisors. If you're an advanced trader, you can use expert advisors EAs to automate your trading based on predefined strategies. Backtesting. MetaTrader 4 allows you to test your trading strategies using historical data, giving you insights into their effectiveness. And that's a wrap on getting started with Bybit MetaTrader 4.
I am planning to make another video about Bybit mt4 auto trading EA. In the upcoming YouTube video, I will be reviewing the results of an expert advisor that can be used to trade automatically without any technical analysis or the need to monitor the market all day. This EA is highly profitable and can effectively manage a sum of $100 to provide monthly profits. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Remember, always practice risk management and trade responsibly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop your comments below on the comment section. Thank you for watching, and happy trading with Bybit MetaTrader 4.